In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create season in Ownerrez. We'll walk through the full process of creating a season inside Ownerrez, from opening the right settings area all the way through saving your new season. This is useful when you want to organize pricing rules, booking requirements, or stay restrictions around specific times of the year. To get started, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account. From there, click on Settings. After the Settings page opens, find and click on Seasons. This will take you to the area where all of your existing seasons are managed. To create a new one, click on Create Season. Now you'll begin filling out the season details. First, add the name of the season. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, since this will help you identify it later when managing rates or restrictions. Next, select the type. This determines how the season will be categorized in Ownerrez, so choose the option that best fits how you plan to use it. After that, enter the start month and then the start day. This sets the beginning of the season. Then enter the end month and the end day to define when the season will finish. Be careful when entering these dates so the season covers the exact period you want. Once the date range is set, select the properties that this season should apply to. If you manage multiple properties, this is an important step because it makes sure the season is only assigned where it's needed. Next, add the second payment due setting if that applies to your workflow. This can help control when additional guest payments are expected during that season. Then add any length restrictions. This is where you can define stay requirements, such as minimum or maximum lengths depending on your booking strategy for that period. You'll also see the option to disallow gaps. Enable or configure that if you want to avoid small unbookable spaces between reservations, which can be especially helpful during high-demand dates. After that, add the public name. This is the name that may be shown externally, so it should be guest-friendly and easy to understand. Once you've reviewed all the information and confirmed that everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your new season is now created in Ownerrez. If you're setting up multiple seasons, it's a good idea to double-check each date range and property assignment before moving on, so everything stays organized and accurate.